Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Brian Felix here with you guys in another video. So I started recording a little bit later, but we had 3 maintenance cars here at this location, and I actually had Glister's Auto Detail come and help me out, my boy Ephraim. So I'm just now picking up my camera because I had to, I had to detail you guys. So I didn't really have time to, put my camera up and all that good stuff. So we have 4 cars for today. We have 3 right here, and then we have 1 at an office location. So let me show you guys real quick what we got going on. So what we have is this Mercedes SUV here. Interior is done on this one and that one. So I knocked out both the interiors by myself, and this one needs to be done inside. So me and Glister, we went ahead and washed both of these already. So these are both washed. We just got to do tire shine, trim, windows, door jams, stuff like that. And then we got to detail the inside of this Honda here. So we actually have Danielle also coming, and she's gonna go ahead and help us out when she arrives. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and start washing this Benz. Make sure we wash it, spray our socket to add some protection on it, and then we'll do the same thing on these 2. And I'll have either Glister or Danielle start the Honda interior while we do the small touches, or I'll let them do the small touches and I'll do the interior on the Honda. So that's what we got going on right now. I love this Mercedes. I love Mercedes, man. Such a beautiful car. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this wash out, and I'll probably try to set up the tripod so you guys can see a little bit of the action.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, YouTube, so we just wrapped up all 3 vehicles. So we finished with the Mercedes-Benz SUV. This is probably a larger vehicle. This is 3-row, and then this is a little bit smaller here, inside and out. So we're just gonna go ahead and give the client the keys, make sure that we accept payment, and then we will go off to our last client, which is a Honda Accord or Honda Civic. Another maintenance detail. So far we got 3 maintenance details here, just wrapped up. Looks nice and good, looking nice and clean. Floor mats well taken care of and sprayed with some trim shine by Stoners. Shout out to Tony for putting me onto that product. Looking nice and shiny. This one's nice and shiny, and then this one as well. So yeah, it's pretty much done. It's looking nice and good, smells good. Nice. All right, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna head off to the next client, which is gonna be a mobile job. So we are at a house right now. So when I mention mobile jobs, is basically we need our water tank and generator because it's a mobile job. So we're going to an office location. We have a Honda Civic there with a maintenance detail as well. So it's 3, probably get there around 3:30 because it's like 3:15. Get there 3:30, and hopefully us three we can knock it out in like 45 minutes, maybe less, because it's really not gonna be that bad. So yeah, special shout out to Danielle and a friend, both helping me out. You guys see them right there doing the finishing touches on the not the Mercedes, the Honda. So I'm gonna go ahead and talk to the client, give her back the keys, and just head off, and we'll catch you guys at the next vehicle. Let's go. All right, you guys, so we just wrapped up detailing this Honda Civic here, Honda Civic SI. So we did a full maintenance detail, just a quick interior vacuum and detail, and then we also did a wash with our Shocket ceramic coating spray wax. Took us about 30 minutes to do. It's 3 of us today, so we kind of just went ahead and knocked it out. You guys can see the condition it's in right now. Super glossy, super shiny, super clean. So we got glisters on the windows. We have Danielle just giving a quick last wipe down. I did the rims and tires. We made sure to move the car back a little bit to get underneath. And yeah, I mean, it was pretty much basic. I already texted the client to come and, you know, pick up her vehicle. But you guys see, it wasn't too dirty anyways, you know, so we just went ahead and detailed, give it a nice vacuum. Yep. All done. So pretty much knocked it out in 30 minutes, which is a record. I've never done a car that fast, but I let them two do the interior while you guys saw me doing the rims and tires, so that way when it was time to wash the car, we was already ready to wash it and just foam it down. So we knocked it out. Appreciate y'all for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. Any questions, any concerns, let me know in the comment section down below. But nonetheless, I appreciate y'all for watching. Hustle never settle. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's go.